Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're reviewing the Makarrt Femi Beauty Kit. It is absolutely gorgeous. This polygel kit comes with everything you could possibly want. I just love the aesthetic of it. The pink brush, which I love Makartt's brushes. I think they're adorable and they really apply your polygel well. So the charms, you got butterflies, you've got bows. I mean, you've got charms. Like seriously guys, charms that can dangle from your nail or you can just like secure them. They're gorgeous. But these freaking crystals, it's unicorn and Shakira and they're 10 grams. That's a lot. That's like a lot of freaking glitter. That's some serious glitter right there. So I had so much fun playing with this kit. The colors of the polygel, they do come in 15 milliliters, and you get all these gorgeous colors. You get the dual forms, which I was really impressed because not only is it the size that Femi uses for her regular, like the classic square, straight square, which I have not worn that yet. I will try. I need to have short nails because I have a puppy and an 8-year-old daughter. So yeah, the real long nails will not work on me right now. I'll end up pulling my nail off. But what I really love that she added into this was the full coffin shaped nails. So you could do the Femi Beauty method, which she came up with, and it's also the lazy girl method. But I'm telling you, this is the best thing since Starbucks. I freaking love it. It's a game changer. So as you can see, the dual forms, and then it also comes with the cute little Makartt light, which looks like a frigging computer mouse. I think it's absolutely adorable. And you can never have too many lights, girlfriend. You can never have too many lights. Like I got the little flash cure lights. I've got those. I've got my Kira sky lamp. How adorable, these butterflies. Some of them are paper. Some of them are like that mylar or whatever. But yeah, so I am just so impressed with this kit. So right now I am just going to show you how I apply my charms, and I'm going to speed it up a little bit. I just put the base coat inside the freaking nail, apply my charms, do a flash cure, good to go, add the polygel, and yeah, it's what I like about polygel versus acrylic, which I've worked with acrylic for over 25 years. Acrylic dries really, really fast, and you can do this Femi method, this lazy girl method with acrylic. I've done it. However, you have to have that last bead by the cuticle pretty wet so you can get that to adhere to the nail. So I did a set actually on my mom the other night, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. But you have to understand, like if you're doing this and you're charging people, you need to charge according to how much work you put in, because this is like custom, in my opinion. You're custom making nails, like the press-ons that were real big during the pandemic and still are. You're doing custom work. So, you know, basically you're making it to however the person wants, or however whatever style that you like. They take time. It's not just like you're throwing on, you know, the jelly tips, which are also time consuming at times, but this method is just phenomenal. I love it. This is how I do my nails. I mean, I can do the regular forms, which I like, the dual forms. I have done that. I have some videos on my Instagram. If you want to file nails by Joel's, same thing. But again, I'm showing you here how I put the sprinkles on, the charms or whatever it is, and then I flash cure it, and then I put the polygel. And then you just press it to your nail, and you'll feel that little bit of suction, and then you just clean around the cuticle, and you're, like I said, you're good to go. Now, when I first started this, I was like, oh, hell no, I am not doing this. I'm just going to do my acrylics. That's what I'm used to. But it's always good to think outside the box. It's always good to change your techniques and offer different services. And this is so big right now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end result. I was so happy with it. My 8-year-old went bonkers. My puppy tried to eat them, so obviously I had to take them off. Not the nails, but the charms. But I had such a great time playing with this kit, and I cannot wait to review more kits. I mean, I'm obsessed with polygel right now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I cannot wait to film more.